I'm not sure if you guys can see it on video, but this bolt is kinda destroyed. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. And today's video we're gonna put some stuff on the Superduro and gonna get some things fixed. Sorry for letting you guys wait so long, but it's been a pretty busy week. We had a little party with the Bentley boys, riding some Bentley test days. Pretty fun, pretty amazing. Love those cars. I also went to the Porsche because I went out recording the GT2 RS Club Sport, that track car, 400,000 euros. Love that thing too. It's been a pretty busy week and I've been totally redoing my garden. So I have my own racetrack in my backyard and my kid can drive his little AMG all around the place and have a lot of fun. But I can't let you guys down, so got some stuff here back at my garage. Work. So let's get busy. Hey guys, I've seen this in my last video. Yeah, totally screwed up the Superduro, so I'm gonna replace the throttle, and I've got the Evotech engine guard, so we're gonna put that one on too. Good times. If you hear some noise, well, that's what you get living in a farmer's town. A lot of farm noises. It's pretty hard to get on those wires, but I don't get that big hand, so it works just fine. But if you get those big and bulky hands, you're gonna be in some trouble if you want to remove those sockets. God dang it. That wasn't that hard. That's a pretty easy job. So job one done, let's get to the Evotech. It definitely looked a lot bigger on the internet, but yeah, let's put it on and well, extra safety is always good on the Superduro. You're gonna need some more extra protection parts, a lot more. Still didn't hook up the air compressor, so manually gotta pump it up. Nice. As I showed you guys in the last video of the Superduro crash, it's got some road rash. That's not that big of a deal, but I was gonna take this off because, you know, the Evotech has to come on and I gotta use the same bolt. They use the same points. to keep things together. And what turns out, I'm not sure if you guys can see it on video, but this bolt is kind of destroyed, acting up pretty weird. So this bolt is kind of damaged. We need another one to get the Evotech engine guard on there, but you can tell by the angle of that bolt that these crash bars did take a lot of beating, and they saved the bike for a good reason. So the only bolts you actually need to undo is the one down there. So that's the one on the throttle side, the one down there on the exhaust, and another one down here. I was hoping it was gonna protect the exhaust, and it does. Lucky me. That's nice. So now I can go out and jump some logs, jump some trees and things like that without damaging the exhaust. Oh yeah, this is gonna be sweet. And there we go. That's it. New throttle and the Evotech engine guard on it. This is gonna be fun. Like I said at the start of this video, I've been pretty busy. Cars and things and crushing and dog channels and animation and things like that. Been pretty busy. So I try to keep uploading as regular as possible, but you know, it doesn't always work out that well. I'm sorry for that. So cut me some slack. I'm pushing out as much content as I can. But I am gonna try and upload at least one video a week. At least one a week. That's not that hard to do, so I'm gonna do that. Next video, like I said, I promise you guys, I will put some GoPros on my helmet, my chest, and some other places on this bike, and we're gonna do a point of view Superduro race, so it feels like you guys are riding it with me. It's gonna be exciting, it's gonna be hilarious. I hope I don't hit a tree or something, because you guys might get hurt. No, you guys can't get hurt. You're behind your computers or smartphones. Anyway, I'm gonna do my best, make more videos of the Superduro ASAP as soon as possible, and I hope you guys stay tuned, stay watching, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace!